explain this by giving you an example. Let's say t equals 1 hour. Equals 1 hour, then I will be computing a of 1, which is 50 times 2 to the 1, and that will be 100. Now, similarly, if t is like, for instance, 2 hours, then a of 2, 50 times 2 to the 2, which is 50 times 4, that's 200. Now, if I choose C, this is equivalent to m equal to 60 minutes. 60 minutes, right? So now, instead of putting 1 hour, I'm going to plug 60 minutes and see if I'm getting this number here. So for instance, if you plug it into the B, well, that's going to be 60 times 6, 3600, but that's not going to give you that number. You're not even close to that number. It's going to be too big. So this is definitely not the answer. Okay, if you do this, so if you look at the C, so if I plug the 60 in M right here, then it's going to be 60 over 60, which is 50 times 2, 100. So that gives us, okay. And now let's try this one. So M equals 2 hours is 120 minutes. 120 here, it's going to be 120 divided by 60, that's 2. So then it's going to be 50 times 2 squared. So it looks like that this is going to work, right? Now you may be hesitating between these two, but now try plugging 120 in M over here. Now you will do 60 over 120, that's a half. So then you have 50 times 2 to the half, which is not going to be 200. So I hope you're seeing, my argument. So when I try with the hour, and if I convert hour to minutes, then I should get the same thing when I plug it into the M. So in this case, you see the only choice that will satisfy both example that I pick here is going to be the C.